Okay, so here we have an algebraic simultaneous equation. If you just pause the video now if you want to have a go before I explain how to do this. Okay, the easiest way to do this is you can see that the x's and the y's are different. So the 4x and the 2x and the 3y, they're different. So the x's aren't the same and neither are the y's. So you need to actually do something else. Let's just get rid of that a second. So you need to actually do something else to the equations. Now you can times an equation by any number. If I times this one by 2, I end up with 4x plus 6y equals 48. I'm timesing everything by 2. And in doing that, I've now created, if you just sort of get rid of that for a second, that's the equivalent just doubled. Now we've created 2 equations, and that's what we're going to use. The x's are now the same value, and we've only got one that is different. So 4x plus 2y, so I've just rewritten this out because what I need to do, the x values are both positive, so you need to take this equation away from this equation, the second one, away from the first one. So I like to draw a line. So 4x minus 4x is going to be 0. That's the idea really, to get one of the values, the x or the y, at 0. And then 6y minus 2y is a positive 4y, which equals 48 minus 4, 44. Okay, excuse my 4's look a bit different. Okay, and then divide by 4 to get y equals 11. And the next step, once we know 1, we then work out what x is, and we can use any of these equations here. Any of these equations. Just going to get a different colour. Any of the equations. So I'm going to use the 4x plus 2y equals 4. I'm just substituting the y equals 11 into it. So 2 times 11 is 22. You can see we're now having one unknown. You can only work it out with one unknown. And then 4 minus 22 equals minus 18. So 4x equals minus 18. And then x minus 18 divide 4 minus 4.5. If you're not sure about doing that in your head, you can just do, you could turn it into a mixed fraction. So there's 4 4s are 16, and then you're left with 2 over 4. So 4 and then 2 over 4, 4.5, and then convert it into decimals. You can keep it as 4.5 would be also acceptable. So then you just input the answers into the boxes, and that should be okay. Thank you.